You are going to love the 2016 GMC Acadia. The GMC Acadia is great capability coupled with exceptional safety, offering better highway fuel economy than any other 8-passenger SUV, advanced technology, and thoughtful ergonomics. The Acadia is a premium utility that rejects compromise and is priced below $20,000. This vehicle has less than 55,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, steering wheel audio controls, stability control, traction control, keyless entry, anti-lock braking system, Bluetooth, leather-wrapped steering wheel, power steering, adjustable steering wheel. This beauty will even make your house keys jealous. Drive it today.